Aro. So we are now doing a second book, The Making of Esa, in this concept. And we are really hoping that before he goes public, that book, I think we've done up to 60%. I'm hoping that in the next 1 month or so, that book will be out. Also to address what he has said. We are looking for in the 21st century. As long as the person comes among the royals, it's still the same concept. The same but and you can go on. So we are developing that, we are doing that, so that in 100 years' time, those records will be there. Some of the processes that have, because here we town, people have been confronting me. Now here are women and here, now they have been, and I've been telling them, and there is no person, even if it is a monastery, that has seen the records about our history, living today better than myself. I've seen the records, whether it is in Lisbon, whether it is in Rome, whether it is in public record office in Britain, or the National Archives. And some of them, Lord, bring that Makama took some, but I still have some those papers. So, in case they do not exist in any papers I have seen. Any person who says he has seen that, I do not know. And we have those records. So here we have Makambono, here na Makambani may confront national we should be able to counter that those arguments do not exist in our history. Thank you.